I think I'm done Christmas shopping.
She's done. She's done. She's really, really done.
Just finished getting ready and I'm officially done Christmas shopping. I've got all my gifts donezo, which feels so good. I might pick up like some small things here and there, but it hasn't even hit December 1st and I'm done Christmas shopping. I have never been done this early. An added bonus is the fact that I was able to do quite a bit of Christmas shopping this year, even on Etsy. And Etsy is great because you get really unique gifts, and then also you're supporting creatives around the world, small businesses. I just ordered a gift yesterday from, I think it's coming from France, like bonkers, but so cool. And so special, makes it like a little extra treat. With that being said, I'm very glad. Hello.
I'm terrible, I don't know what to tell you, bro.
I don't understand. Do you not like charge your phone before bed? Like, what a concept.
No, I don't.
I think I can freeze it. I read online that you can really easily freeze apple crisp, so hopefully that's true. I made banana bread earlier in the week and froze a ton of banana muffins, and then now I'm gonna be freezing apple crisp. Who am I? I've got Christmas movies on in the background, just great Sunday vibes. I also have to deal with this guy right here, the box that my new Aritzia coat came in, which, speaking of which, cue the clip of me unboxing that. A very exciting package has come in from Aritzia. Walking home with this was interesting. I did order this item, it was not sent to me, although wow, would I be open to that. I did it, folks. I really needed a winter coat this year, and I'd heard amazing things about the Super Puff. Before our second lockdown in Toronto happened, I had been able to try it in stores, so there should be no surprises, but I'm still nervous. Oh my goodness. I got the matte black option in the long. I felt like it was a very classic route to go. I had been eyeing an army green. I think the color was Timberland or Timbaland. And it sold out within the first few weeks that they went on sale, so it wasn't meant to be. I kind of wasn't sure if I wanted to spend the money on this, so that's why it took me a little bit to hem and haw over it. But it did go on sale for 10% off, so I was like, sure, 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 sure. It is very poofy, like a marshmallow. It's gonna be my favorite feature right here, because like no wind will be getting through. There's wind tunnels in the city that are awful, and I just need complete safety from them. This jacket seems like it provides me safety. At some point I probably have like a recycling garbage removal session on my agenda today. And I also had some work things originally put in my calendar, but I'm like, you know what? No. I'm just gonna chill out here. Lounge away. It smells so good in here too. I'm only wearing my Lululemon Align leggings, my Abercrombie crew neck, and that's it. I am chilling on the couch, reading In a Holidays by Christina Lauren. I started this today. Currently on chapter 7. So far, really liking it. I also have Netflix on in the background, so let me lower that. It's one of those stories where the main character keeps reliving the same day over again, and I don't quite know why that is in this situation yet. But Christina Lauren, 2 authors that they're like auto buy authors. I just always buy the latest Christina Lauren release. Which, fun fact, Christina Lauren is 2 different authors. I think it's a combination of Christina Hobbs and Lauren Billings. So I'm gonna read more of that. And that's it, that's my night. Sending at 10:13 a.m. Press the button.
Gosh, can we have a virtual work date this week?
Oh yeah, we can do that. It is the gloomiest day outside today, and that is why my Christmas lights are on before it has even hit 2 o'clock. It's not even 1:30. A straight up mood. Okay, I'm officially going crazy. Oh no, I don't like the sound of my inbox. My phone's been going off all day with emails, and I'm just like, no, I am not here, don't talk to me. I think one of the best decisions I've ever made when it comes to gingerbread house building is buying one that's pre-built. I got this at Bulk Barn. I saw it and I was like, that's the worst part, is the assembly process. So I said, yes, please. I'm gonna decorate this today. I figured it'd be fun to document on camera. This is a fun holiday activity. I also just got some basic icing that comes in a bag. I actually just wrapped up my last class, my last lecture, and that feels weird. Can't believe I started that in September and now that's over. But I am giving myself a pat on the back for my hard work with a little decorating session and a coffee. I don't have the proper icing bag, and I also didn't invest a lot of time into acquiring toppings for it. So this could look like a very amateur gingerbread house. I should say cover your eyes before you do that. Maybe I'll put the house on that. Oh, look at me, innovative. Okay. Something I think will immediately make this look better. A little candy cane. 1, 2, 3. I used to really love cake decorating. I was pretty decent at it. Not that you would know based on my icing job today. I was more into fondant cakes though, so it's a little bit different than icing. I don't really know what to say to this. This was something. I mean, from afar, I think it has a certain je ne sais quoi to it. I think the problem really starts to come into play when you look at it up close, as I am right now. I did make the decision to put flour just on the edges here to make it look like snow. I'll probably regret that in the next few days when I realize that flour is gonna get everywhere, but do you love my makeshift pedestal? I just put this platter on top of an overturned fruit bowl. Just had this new blog post go live on CaitlinDeSilva.com filled with stocking stuffer ideas, so you can check out the link below to read this. I also have gift ideas for stationery lovers. I just love that I started this site this year. I think it's such a fun little place. If you click the shop tab here, it takes you to my Amazon storefront, and it has some of my favorite things in bullet journal supplies, kitchen must-haves, book recommendations, all the things. I try and keep it updated as much as possible. I'm all glammed up today because I'm getting ready to shoot a photo for Instagram that is for a branded campaign. Kind of off topic, but last night I was talking to my mom about the fact that I feel, I guess, bad because I feel like I'm not doing anything interesting. I haven't done anything interesting these past few days on this vlog, which makes no sense because when I watch other people's vlogs, especially VLOGMAS stuff, like I love the casual stuff and the insignificant things that they talk about and just seeing them kind of be very casual. But when I do my own vlogs, I always feel like I need to keep the pacing up and that I can't like spend too much time in one place blabbering on about something. And I don't know, I put like a lot of pressure on myself in terms of that. So hopefully, you know, because I am vlogging so much in December, it kind of just breaks me out of that and gets me more comfortable just like not having everything go, go, go. I'd love to hear like what kinds of things you like to see in vlogs or what kinds of things you enjoy from your favorite vloggers and maybe something that you'd want me to incorporate more of. But I am glad I am vlogging this time. I think especially because I've been working so much this year because of quarantine and COVID and all this stuff that keeps us all more at home. Like my response to it definitely in the second half of the year has been go work mode galore. But I think vlogging is making me take a step back a little bit from like just doing stuff at my computer all the time because that would be really boring to shoot. And that's been helpful, at least in the short little span that I've been doing it. I know once 2021 comes around, like I'm gonna have to figure out a better, I hate the word balance, but yeah, I do feel like a better balance between work and life, just because this second half of 2020, as I've mentioned, has just been so work heavy, and I love work. That's the problem. I really love working, and that's great. I'm so thankful that I love what I do, but it's not good for, I know it's not good for me to be spending like this amount of time on it all the time, for it to be this intense, I guess. I say that as I do have like big projects I want to work on in 2021 too. So we'll see how that goes, but okay, let's get this shoot done. Oh my gosh, I'm about to go do more work. That's so funny. I'm currently filming a TikTok because yesterday night I was scrolling, doing my scrolling thing, and I came across people unboxing these little Squishmallow surprise mystery packs, and supposedly you could get them at Shoppers. So when I was at Shoppers today, I happened to look and there was only 3 left, and I did buy them. I spent $24 today on Squishmallow mystery packages because of a TikTok. This is why you gotta be careful about scrolling on TikTok, because the amount of times that I wanna buy something after a session is insane. But look, I just unboxed the first one. Look at him. He's so cute. Look, it's a little deer. Oh my God, look, it's so squish, squish, squish. Pure joy. What's this one gonna be? Can you see it? You're really getting the behind the scenes action. Oh my gosh, this is the best money I've ever spent. Look at him. Oh my God, I just opened 2 of them and they're so cute.
So how big are they?
They're mini. Got distracted talking to my mom, so it is now dark outside, but I'm gonna unbox just a couple packages that I got at the P.O. box today. These are all purchases that I've made. Oh, I know what this is. I can't show you the specifics, but I ended up ordering new Archer and Olive journals because my 2021 bullet journal video is coming out and Harlow's life is coming to an end. I am shifting to a new one, so you'll get the full reveal in that video. My mom also ordered one. I actually ordered this time from trillaplanning.ca, which is a Canadian online seller of Archer and Olive. So Canadians, if you want to get your hands on an Archer and Olive journal, I feel like that's the best route because you don't have to deal with duties, you don't have to deal with the exchange rate. Shipping is pretty reasonable. Like, I did split it with my mom just so that we would have to spend less on shipping. This I will be able to show you though. Which, speaking of which, I carry all my packages in a bagoo. I love these reusable bags. I actually included this as one of my stocking stuffer recommendations. I think they're like 10, 12 bucks. They fold up really nicely and are super thin, so you can squeeze them into whatever bag that you have. The original reason why I put in an order through American Eagle was because they had a sale on for 10 underwear for $40, which is really good, 40 Canadian. 2 of the underwear came in this package. I already received the others. I haven't worn these, so I don't think it's weird to show it on camera, but these are their lacy numbers. I got a lot of cheeky ones, and then I also got, which I've never tried this before, it's a ribbed thong situation, and it like sits very high on your waist. If you are looking for good underwear that's comfortable and that like looks pretty and that you can match nicely with bras and stuff, I love aerie underwear. I've been wearing them like for years. The thing I have been most excited for are some Christmas pajamas I picked up because look at them. It has all these city buildings and Christmas trees, and I just think it's so pretty. So I got the long sleeve top, which I think that's the only top it comes in, but I got the shorts instead of the pants. I just got out of the shower, so excuse the wet hair, but oh my goodness, I am in love with these. The design is just so pretty. I'm very glad though that I got the top in a small because it's quite big. I mean, maybe I could tuck it in or something, but just wow, wow. I just finished getting ready and look what I did to my hair today. I straightened it. Never happens. I usually always curl it because this takes so much longer than it does for me to curl my hair. I'm looking at the viewfinder and it feels like I'm a different person. This feels very off-brand. I don't know, I was just feeling a little something different, a little sprinkle of variety. What else happened today that was interesting? Oh, the TikTok that you saw me filming, it is kind of going viral for me on my TikTok page. It's already got over 100,000 views and I posted it last night. During the summer, I kind of got into posting TikToks and then I took a break from it because I got so busy, but I want to get back into it in 2021 because it's such an interesting platform, and I think if you are wanting to create content, it's a great place to do it because the algorithm is so good. Like, anyone can have a video do really well, and I feel like the people that are following me there are not even like you guys, like my regular audience. I feel like there's a lot of new people that are finding my page, which is kind of interesting. So I gotta figure out what I've gotta do for 2021. But if you wanna follow me on TikTok, you can follow me by clicking the link in the description box below. I'm gonna take a banana muffin or two out of the freezer and probably just munch on that, maybe with a Greek yogurt or something for breakfast. I'm not super hungry. And then I got editing to do, so that's my day, nothing too thrilling.